Okay, so we got an unboxing video here for our Miss Mimi, or whatever Bob and Sam decided to name her, our Project Hurricane Hatteras project. We ordered this stuff, probably, I don't even know, probably about 2 months ago from Defender and Simrad. We work with both of those guys, and the FedEx girl just dropped it off about 5 minutes ago. I've got about 15 minutes before my next call, so of course it's a new toy. I want to play with it. So it comes pretty well boxed. Let's see if we can figure out how to open the box. Nope. There we go. This is actually the Simrad. Looks a whole lot like the Fruno unit. Probably all made by the same people and individually sold. So we got a set of instructions in a different language. I took Latin in high school, so I don't think they print anything in Latin. Worthless to me. Nice little antenna that's going to go all the way up on the very top of the fly bridge. Actually, the tuna tower. We'll probably actually mount it all the way flush, so we'll get rid of this portion. Actually, we're not going to get rid of it. It'll probably be on eBay by the end of the week. So this guy is going to go all the way up on the very top of the tower. We'll stick this guy through. We know this cable is not going to be long enough, so we actually already ordered, and we've got a 50-foot extension cable already on the boat. So we get an antenna base. I think this is a 30-foot cable, but don't quote me on that if you're planning based on my video. Here is a Simrad, or actually a XM proprietary Ethernet connector. So you got a regular screw-on connector there, and then it goes to a Simrad Lowrance Ethernet connector. I don't know, probably about 6 feet long. Here's the InfoLink audio cable, so same thing. This connector screws into the little XM box, and then this would go to your audio system, your amplifier, your sonic hub, what have you. This looks like a little adapter and a couple of screws. More screws, more mounts, little grommets. InfoLink power cable. 3-prong cable, hot, neutral, positive, negative, and white. I don't know what the white is yet. And this little guy, it's expensive for being this lightweight. Put some lead in it, make it feel a little heavier. Okay, maybe not. Feels like aluminum, but it's plastic. Bottom's aluminum, maybe. So this is the actual little box. This is the new series, the WM-4. I don't really know what it's more capable of than the 3, but I'm sure it is. So there's the audio plug for your XM stereo, your network jack for the network cable to get you over to the Lowrance, Simrad network, what have you. We might actually snip this guy off and plug him straight into the Ethernet switch. Just depends on where he ends up. Most likely he's going to end up under the main bridge dash on the main helm level there. So power, network, audio, antenna, pretty simple little box. I wish it weighed a little more, but you know, hey, I guess we don't want to put that weight on the boat anyway. Looks like they included screws for it. Looks like it's pretty well built, pretty well sealed up. Of course, we're going to put it in an area where it doesn't get any water issue anyway, but looks like it could definitely deal with some spray if it needed to. So we're not even going to take this down to Miss Mimi because hopefully we're going to be launching her next Wednesday. So we're just going to leave this here at the house and put it on once the vessel actually gets here to the house. Well, that's the unboxing of the SiriusXM Marine Lowrance Simrad B&G. Works for all 3 brands, obviously. We'll do a couple of videos once we get it up and running. Maybe we can get a quick tuna trip out of it. Yeah, well, that's about it. I don't remember what we paid for it. Defender.com is where we snatched this one from through a partnership with Simrad. Good luck.